How to navigate the OPAC. OPAC is a computer database that allows users to retrieve information about materials owned by a particular library. To search using the OPAC, key in www.library.usc.edu.ph:8080. Then type the topic in the search box, for example, stress, and click search. There are 461 results on the upper left side of the screen, including options like format, new titles, author, and others. You may also change the viewing display of the retrieved materials. The default view is list, in which retrieved items are enumerated and displayed in random order from top to bottom. Another option is flow, which shows a row of book covers of the retrieved materials. Finally, you may go over the results by clicking the book cover of the book displayed in horizontal order. To view a particular book, click the title to display the complete bibliographic detail of the material. For example, title, author, summary, publication information, and the subject are displayed on the screen. You can also check how many copies this particular title has by clicking All Copies. In addition, you can see to which collection the material belongs to, shelf location or the call number, and the current status of the material which is available. If you want another book, click back to Results and choose another title. For example, Stress, the Psychology of Managing Pressure. The current status of the material is not available. It means that the book is currently borrowed by someone, indicating its due date. You may request for this material to place hold, and you will be asked to key in your ID number, and your PIN, then click Login. Next, choose a pickup location which is in Talamban. Select I want a specific copy, and click Submit Hold. A confirmation message will show that the material was placed on hold successfully. Another feature of the OPAC is to browse the student's My Account by clicking the button located on the upper right side of the screen. Again, what will be displayed is the borrower's record, which are the account summary, account activity, saved list, and saved searches. Under Account Summary are the student's contact information such as an address, contact number, and email address. A student may edit his or her data and change his or her PIN from time to time for security reasons. Next is the Account Activity. It will display the student's number of loans, the number of books the student has put on hold, fines incurred, and loan history. Next is the saved list. List of the titles you saved when you browse through the search results. The student may rename, delete, or view the bibliographic data of the titles the student had saved. Last is the saved searches. Finally, it will display the list of titles you have searched and saved. Please take note that a student must be a registered user of the library before they can avail of the service. How to be a registered library user? Would you please fill out the library user's profile form available on the USC Library website? Just visit www.library.usc.edu.ph And under Library Connect, click Library User Profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching.